Hello and welcome to the channel, everybody. Now today we're doing a speed unboxing of a iPhone 11 Pro 64 gig in silver, which is actually kind of white. Stopwatch is what I need. Let's see how fast we can unbox this. 3, 2, 1. How do I open this? What? iPhone 11 Pro. Stickers, SIM card tool thing, how to use the swipey gesture thing instead of the home button, nothing. Ooh, look at this. So, USB-C thing here. I believe this is moved up in amperage. Anyway, speed unboxing. We've got the little ear poddy things that I will never use. We've got this cable, lightning to USB-C instead of the old USB, which is good. And look at that. Everybody criticizes this. That is not pretty. Anyway, speed unboxing. There's nothing on the back. Wow, normally there's one that goes all over, but that's literally the finish. That is the finish. Look at that. You know, my old one, my new one. There we are. About 2 minutes to do a speed unboxing. Look at that. Looks nearly the same, like all over, except for the back, the matte finish and the extra camera. The only other thing I've noticed is the SIM card tray has moved over just a tad. We're done. Video over. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button for more in-depth videos on this, and I will see you in the next video. Kind of like a frosted white, isn't it? I like it. Have a nice day.